Acting DPP to be named Monday amid deepening legal row over Paul Llewellyn's tenure extension. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. We're live on air and also online at onespotmedia.com. A very special welcome also to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands. I am Javon Keys. Also this evening, opposition threatens legal action again, this time for the public to hear the Attorney General's legal opinion on how reports should be tabled, and government opens the country's first artisan village in Trelawney. There's also the business reviews, sports and weather in this newscast, so please stay with us. I'll have the news in detail right after this break.